What's up, y'all? This Keenan. Yeah, it's time in the smoke with Keenan. Yeah, that's where I'm about to take you, in the smoke, right on this char griller legacy. I got some thighs seasoned up. Check this out. We got 2 packs of thighs here. This one and this one. This one is seasoned with the Blazin porking. Had opportunity to meet these gentlemen and said this won first place chicken rub. So, you know, first place in chicken, and it's a pork and rub. So that is amazing. They'll let you know skills. Half of the pack I'm gonna be saucing with their Asian bang sauce. I haven't tried this yet, but definitely I'm going to. And then this pack right here, as you can see, nicely seasoned with the John Henry's Texas Chicken Tickler. Yeah. Let's get these loaded up. So I'm sitting at about a good 300. And I'm just rolling with all charcoal. I might throw some wood in there. I don't know. Really don't know. But we're going to get this first bag opened up with the Blazin Star. We're going to get these bad boys loaded. And I'm going to throw these right here. Sizzle. Yeah, we hear that sizzling going on. So that means it's going down. That's mean it's going down, baby. I should have pulled my sleeve up. That Texas chicken tickler from John Henry. Hear the birds all up in the background. It's real Garanimal where I live at, believe it or not. A lot of wildlife. The bad boys are seasoned. Let these jokers sit overnight. Cleaned them up, let them sit. Vacuum sealed them up. It's smelling good already. And this should be a full 10 pack. The other one, I believe, is 9 because there was one on there that just did not look good to me. It had like that big bloody gorge thing going on in the thigh, so I wasn't having it. You know what? I got a few of these Kingsford cherrywood chunks. I'm gonna throw these on there, and we're gonna see what it do. So I decided to smoke a queso since I got room on this fire, and I'm gonna go ahead and cook some of this, knock out the stank out of it, and then we're gonna put together a real interesting queso. Okay, so it ain't been that long. It's probably been about 20, 25 minutes, maybe, if that. And let's check these bad boys. Some good color. Got that cherry wood on here. So we can expect the smoke to kick up a lot since we're turning it over, and the skin gonna be facing the fire, the coals rather, and it's gonna be dripping. Oh yeah, look at that. That Texas chicken tickler right there, boy. That's looking good. Bigger one back here. I know I'm gonna have to move this one over here because this is cooking a little faster. So we're gonna take this big one and move it over here, something like, so we don't have any issues with this one not cooking right. A little space, line them all up. So this is what I'm adding to this queso. Got this cheese right here. We all know what's up with that. Yeah, it's just a step above government right there. Step above government. But hey, it's all good. So we're gonna get some nice good chunks here. Yeah. Real easy, baby. I never made a queso, so this is my first time making a queso. I did a pimento cheese back in the day, but that was before I was recording. And I never did one again. I actually got the recipe from, I think, Betty Crocker. Got my veggies, little yellow onion, and some green bell pepper. Cut them up last night when I was doing that chicken. And since I really like my vacuum sealer, I went ahead and did that just to save some prep time. Fat. I'm adding this black garlic to it. That stuff is interesting. It has a very good flavor. And I'm pretty sure it's going to lend some interesting color to this, but I know the flavor is going to be on point. So we're just going to get about a good tablespoon of that right there. And I'm just going to sprinkle it along the other veggies. Just like that. We got our other cheese here. A little Italian blend. Because I got that mozzarella in there. Asiago, smoked provolone. You know, just layers of flavor. This is one of them things you cannot go wrong with. We're going to put that whole bag in there just like that. Then we come in with our Longaniza. That's what we're working with right there. And I want a little liquid. See the black garlic and the onions and the bell pepper covered it up with the Longaniza, but that's all good. I'm gonna add a little bit of this French onion soup in there. Not a lot. Just a little bit of that in there, just like that. About 3/4 of the can. That does not look good, but I'm pretty sure it's tasty. It's old school stuff that we all grew up with. We got some smoke kicking out, and that's just because the chicken is skin side down, and that ain't no biggie. Went ahead and put a foil over this. Set that on my top rack. Check this chicken. Oh yeah, see, we could flip that back over. Oh yeah. And like always, of course, we're gonna have one that's done early. That's gonna let us know what our flavor profile is. Let's move this one kind of over here because it's bigger. Yeah, get some room. Get some room here. That one look like it's gonna be done first, so that's the one we're gonna be trying. I'm just gonna turn that way. So this queso is getting nice and melty. Almost. Not stir worthy. Well, actually it is. Get in here and mix this up. Got some smoke going. Got my queso going. That's looking good. I need to stir that up again. But we're gonna start saucing a couple of these thighs with the Blazin Asian Bang sauce. I haven't tasted this yet. So I'm gonna use this to taste it. You know what? When you hear Carolina Reaper, you think you're gonna get your mouth blown away. But that's not the case here. This is some good flavor. And you can just paint up some of these thighs. These are the two with the Texas chicken tickler. I'm not painting those. I'm just painting the Blazing Star ones with the pork and rub. What we're gonna flip it. Glaze the backside, and then we're gonna repeat this process probably about 2 to 3 times. The queso and the chicken in the oven on warm. I needed something to eat with the queso, so we're gonna make some chicken skins. Just gonna season these bad boys up with this John Henry Texas chicken tickler. Hitting the camera. We're gonna massage these bad boys around. Make sure the seasoning is all up in there. And then we're gonna coat these bad boys in some all-purpose, and we're gonna drop them in some oil. Back in a minute. All right, so we done. Blazin BBQ pork and rub with the Asian Bang barbecue sauce right there. I tried one with just the rub, and it's amazing. Trust me, you can definitely see why that bad boy won first place in chicken. That's the John Henry barbecue Texas chicken tickler. That bad boy is good too. I already ate one, but I got to do one for the video. And of course, that's the queso with the Longaniza in there. First time doing a smoked queso, and I'm gonna be eating it with some chicken chips, aka chicken skins. And you're wondering, like, why does he have a spoon on the plate? Well, so I can make sure I get some of this queso on my chicken skin. This is wrong on so many levels, but it's gonna be good on twice as many. Let's try this out. All right, let's hurry up before the flies realize I'm out here. If you see any restaurant that serves queso with chicken skin, they got it from me. That is definitely good. Crows is out here going crazy. Don't know why. Maybe they smell my chicken. No. An extra piece of skin that somebody didn't want. I guess I'll be eating that too. So this is the John Henry Texas chicken tickler. Smoked on some Kingsford charcoal with a little bit of Kingsford cherry wood in there. You definitely get that, I looked on the ingredients, it said it had orange peel. You definitely get that orange peel. And that's why I chose the cherry wood to kind of accent, you know, the fruitiness of the rub, and then the light fruitiness of the cherry wood. Man, that worked out good. Just a pointer, lift up your chicken skin and season your meat underneath. It makes a world of difference. Now here we go with the star of the video. Blazin BBQ pork and rub that won first place in chicken with the Asian Bang barbecue sauce. Man. Man, that is amazing. All right, so that was good. That was real good. That Asian Bang barbecue sauce got a nice subtle heat on it. I thought it would have been crazy, or I couldn't handle it because it had the Carolina Reaper powder in there and the gochujang peppers in there as well. But no, it is nicely balanced. The rub is balanced. It goes well with it. You taste the rub, you taste the sauce. It doesn't just get in there and mix up and then lose each other. That John Henry is on point. Definitely gonna be doing some runs with that, and may have to re-up. Unless I find another seasoning that's Texas chicken tickler, because I've definitely been hearing about it. And I didn't know that there was a designated rub for chicken for Texas. I thought it was just, you know, salt, pepper, garlic, and stuff like that. So that is really good. Smoked queso came out amazing. All right, definitely. Y'all be cool out there. Be safe. Be smart. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment on this video, subscribe to the channel. Help the boy out. Follow me on Instagram, NotAllSmoke78. Help your boy out. Follow me on TikTok. Not all smoke. Not the 78, just not all smoke. Once again, this is Keenan. Y'all be cool. One.